How's it going, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we got a fun one for you today. We're going to be featuring the Fulling Mill Micro Rabbit, and we're going to be bringing that to life on an awesome chum fry pattern. 'Tis the season here in the Pacific Northwest, so we hope you guys enjoy. All right, in the vise, we have an Ahrex NS122 size number 10, and we're going to throw in some 6/0 thread wraps in black. And just work our way back to the barb of the hook there. Easy peasy. So, you know what time of year it is. It's March. We got big rain showers followed by sunshine. And what follows the sunshine is the chum fry. So, today we are highlighting some Fulling Mill Rabbit. These micro strips are frankly phenomenal. So, rabbit doesn't really find its way into my chum fry patterns too often, but this rabbit is really, really nice, and it has made the cut. So we have some Grizzly olive here, and we are going to just separate these fibers. You can moisten it down just a little bit. Make sure that it reaches the front and protrudes off the back here. And we're just going to throw in a loose wrap, and then we're going to cinch that down one more, and in front. Then we're going to work our way up. Alrighty, so we have a little bit of super glue here. Be very sparing with this super glue. We don't want it to get it on all our other materials. We got a plethora of them coming. Keep that rabbit out of the way. Alrighty, so we got some uni Mylar here, and we're going to tie that in like so, and we are going to start wrapping that backwards. So this is the uni Mylar in Peacock. You can tie this in before you wrap, probably easier. Just trying to make things hard on myself. And wrap backwards, really solidifying this. Get it right up underneath that rabbit, and then we will work our way forward. This stuff is really, really cool color. It's two-tone. It's got a copper on the inside, but we don't want that copper showing. We just want this peacock color showing, and we are really just wrapping this up, just covering up everything, working our way back. And we will tie it off there. And with our scissors and trim that off. Alrighty. So you realistically could tie the rabbit down and catch some fish like this. But here on the Spawn Fly Fish channel, we're always trying to do some really cool stuff and incorporate products that are meant just for this. So, as many of you guys know, we have a Spawn Simi Seal in Chum Fry. This color is designed exclusively, not exclusively, but it was designed to replicate Chum Fry. It's been used for countless other patterns, but man, does this Chum Fry do an amazing job of replicating this species of bait fish. Alright, we're going to tie that in, veil it back. So far, so good. Just going to do a quick little check on your end, make sure things look good. So good. So far. Alrighty, one more wrap here. And we are going to come in with another Spawn Fly Fish element. This is the Spawn Super Select Feathers in Green Wing Teal. Really, really cool feather. It's got some hints of color in it. It's a fine feather, that is for sure, but it's just really, really cool. I like sorting this feather, I like tying with this feather. Overall, it's going to make a phenomenal addition to this pattern. Really give it some cool barring. this sucker around. Right there. Check your side, make sure it looks okay. So far so good. Get a wrap, another wrap, lock in front. Just came off, which is perfect. And voila. Alright, this rabbit that's been hanging tight there in the back, we're going to pull forward. We want to tie that so the hide is facing down. We don't want a bunch of that hide protruding out. So make sure that that tie-in point is accurate. Alright, I got a little bit left over here. I'm going to come in with some scissors and trim this out. Fine if there's a little bit on there. We are going to use that to grab because we do have one more element that we're going to add here, and we're going to cover most of this up anyhow. Alright, so far so good. Alright, we're going to throw in a whip finish right now. Trim this off. And what we're going to do here for the final little elements, we are going to turn the vise sideways, get back to our super glue here, just a little dab, go over to our sheet of eyeballs that we got here, hanging tight. We're going to be using a 4mm eye. Push down just a little bit. Just need to get it to hold. Voila. And then we will come in on the other side here. A little bit of super glue again. Another 3D eye. Now I got to make sure that they are in the right spot. There we go. So far so good. Alright, we're going to let the super glue dry a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come in with a little bit of resin. And we will do that off camera to finish out this pattern. But that really does it here. This is a very simple Chum Fry pattern, utilizing some Spawn Simi Seal, some Spawn Super Select Feathers, and some phenomenal micro rabbit from Fulling Mill. So we hope you guys enjoyed this exciting time of year. Get out there, chase those cutthroat, and throw some Chum Fry patterns.